As our population ages, the number of seniors over 65 is expected to double from 2010 to 2030. 77,000 of our state's seniors are living in nursing homes or assisted living facilities, and even more seniors hire care providers to assist them at home. But how do you as a family member know if you can trust the care services provided to your loved one? 5 Eyewitness News reporter Kate Renner shows us a Minnesota company changing how care providers are screened and trained.
Twice a day, 93-year-old Bill Rempel gets his heart rate up, although he needs a little assistance from his caregiver to get on and off the bike.
They cater to my whims.
They used to use a different care providing service, but didn't feel the staff met their needs.
I can't say anything good.
Bill and Leona now hired Touching Hearts at Home to help them live at home post-surgery and illness.
See, that means aside from the physical help they do, it's also the psychological part, which we old folks need.
I mean, they all become family.
Each year, hundreds of thousands of seniors are abused, neglected, or exploited by their caregivers. But before Touching Hearts at Homes lets any of their caregivers through the doors of a client, they go through an extensive screening process.
This is a game changer for me, and I think for our entire industry. I would love it if more people would use this.
The screening system was designed by a Minnesota company.
Caring for an aging individual, it's all about the relationship.
Instead of following industry standard and relying on background checks, CareProfiler.com uses psychology and a personality inventory to evaluate an applicant's level of compassion.
What we're finding is sort of using the science of psychology to weed out, but also identify the highest potential caregivers.
Johansson says his software helps connect the best caregivers with people in need.
I'm sending people into clients' homes basically without direct supervision with potentially a vulnerable adult. I need to feel really confident about that person.
Leola and Bill say it works.
Encouraging, yeah, that you can do it stuff.
In St. Paul, Kate Renner, 5 Eyewitness News.
CareProfiler.com is used by thousands of companies in 48 states and Canada. It's headquartered right here in St. Paul. And Johansson says the first 90 days on the job are extremely important. If caregivers can form 3 meaningful relationships with clients within their first 3 months, the risk of abuse goes way down. Last year, according to the Department of Health and Human Services, 34,000 calls were made to report suspected mistreatment.